Welcome. In front of me is a HONOR Magic7 Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your right side of the screen, and once you have this panel in here, you want to swipe down again, and this will show you extended list of toggles, which one of them will be hotspot. For me, it's visible right here. So once you see it first time around, you want to hold it, and from there you will navigate to password, which you can see it is randomly generated password. I recommend getting rid of it and then setting up your own new password. Now, because this is hotspot, which you will just probably use occasionally, the strength of the password doesn't need to be anything like super great, so I personally like to select it to be relatively simple, like 1 through 8. But it will need to have at least 8 characters in a length, and that can be letters, numbers, doesn't really matter. Once you've done so, we can close this and then find the toggle once more and simply tap on it to enable it. Looks like we also have the hotspot button right over here as well. So now that it's enabled, you can connect to it and use the mobile network from your phone on other devices. And one more thing that is in the settings, at least I think it is, yep, there we go, mobile hotspot turn off timer. This basically means that after, by default, 5 minutes of not using your hotspot, so the device will check if there's any kind of data usage. If there isn't, it will automatically turn it off. What you might end up having happen is that maybe you open up some kind of website where you're reading an article and it takes you more than 5 minutes to read through it while scrolling down. The moment it loads it up, it would start probably the countdown, and 5 minutes later, even though you're still reading it, and you will need that mobile network in a, I don't know, foreseeable future, the phone might turn it off automatically because it thinks that you're done using it, even though you're just reading an article, but that has been preloaded and no data since then has been used, so it could turn it off. So if you have that kind of problem, you can extend this timer right here to accommodate for such a problem. But once you're done using it, you can also turn it off yourself by tapping on the toggle once again. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.